Hi, I'm Sheil from Unite Canada. Today I'll be showing you how to use FaceTime from your Apple device. I will be doing this tutorial using an iPhone X, but instructions are almost the exact same using either other models of the iPhone or your iPad tablet. The first thing you'd like to do is find the FaceTime app on your home screen. It's this application right here. It'll have that icon right there with the box and the arrow. Once you click that application, it'll bring you to a screen as such. And you want to hit the plus sign in the corner. Here you want to type in whoever it is that you want to contact. So in this case, I'm contacting Dominic from Unite Canada. So you can also type in a phone number. If I wanted to type in Dominic's phone number, I'd do as so. I'd simply type in 647 and then the rest of his number, which I'm hiding for privacy purposes. So I already have him saved as a contact, so I can just click that. And now I have one of two options. I can call him using audio, which will be just like a phone call, or I can call him using video. So then I select this green video button, and now it begins my call, where I have to wait for the recipient to accept. Now the call is connecting, and now we're connected. So here's where you can talk to the recipient. At the bottom there are your different options. So most of the information you need is there. You can flip the camera using the flip button. You can mute yourself using the mute button. And then there's a button to take a photo inside of the FaceTime call. And there's also an effects button where you can add cool stickers and stuff. And that's all the navigation there. And once you're finished with your call, you can hit the end button in the bottom right there. Instructions are the exact same on most iPhone models and the iPad tablets. I hope this helped you navigate FaceTime. Thank you.